Came cho guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? How is everyone doing? Because I'm not doing well, so please मेरा आवाज़ भी ignore करना. It's very heavy right now, but I'm still like excited to show you guys what all I've shopped. And yeah, जिन्होंने भी मेरी previous video नहीं देखी है, the shop with me video, please go and watch it right now first, and then watch this one because it's connected. And whatever I've shopped there, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video. So वहाँ पे मैंने सब bargaining and shoot and everything I've shown you guys. Also bargaining से मुझे याद आया कि let me tell you that I've not bargained much like this time because considering the COVID situation इतना मैंने bargain नहीं किया है because of the obvious reasons. And कुछ चीज़ें मैंने fixed rate पे ली थी and कहीं पे तो मैंने bargain ही नहीं किया था. So yeah, other than that, let's not talk much and get into the video. And as always, ended up shopping more than I expected, and there was a time crunch. Varna I think I would have shopped even more. But yeah, I got like trendy stuff. Collection was good. Clothing में इतना नहीं मिला, but there was a particular shop जहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ मिला. And other than that, bags, shoes, jewelry especially काफ़ी अच्छी और trendy मिली है. And then good stuff and good rates also because of the COVID thing. Everyone was in the need and they were also pretty much convincingly bargaining as well. So yeah, I'll show you guys one by one what all I've shopped. We'll start with clothes and then other stuff. Okay, let's go. So let's start with the first product that I bought. So I bought these shorts and a skirt from that particular stall. So I kind of like it and I like okay ठीक है. I'm not that happy with this product. Color is nice and other than that, so I think I bought this for 300 if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and fixed rate थी वहाँ पे, मेरे को bargaining करने नहीं मिला. And there was this skirt जो कुछ ज़्यादा ही long है, which is not looking that great as a skirt, so I thought I will wear it as a dress. I mean on a shirt or a tube or something like that, so it will at least look better like with a belt or something like that. So yeah, that's how you not regret buying something if you wear it in a convenient way. And yeah, I will wear it with a belt so that it looks like a nice contrast dress. And I bought this for 400, so basically मैंने 700 की चीज़ ली वहाँ से. Then let's jump on to another shop. So now this shop had amazing collection. Like they had this branded stuff I guess, and they were on really nice sale. So everything was returned. Even there it was fixed price. वहाँ पे भी कोई bargaining करने नहीं मिला हमें, but the price itself was good. So I'll show you guys one by one. You will be able to understand. For example, this skirt. Okay, now this skirt doesn't fit me well because street shopping में there's no trial option. So ये गलती हो जाती है. We think that it will fit us because we like it and we just take it, but we're not sure about the size. So this doesn't fit me well, but I love the skirt. So let's see what I can do about it. And I bought it for 450. That's what they have written. So yeah, I like it, but if it doesn't fit me, I'll give it to my sister. कोई तो पहनेगा ही for sure. Okay, next then I bought this cute bustier dress and I got it for 300. So they've clearly returned that there's no refund, no exchange, and even the prices were returned. So that's what I was saying. See, this is from Topshop. That's what I was telling you guys कि यहाँ पे branded stuff अच्छे prices में थे. So that's what. And yeah, you should always check and buy because there can be defect pieces or torn pieces or something like that, and they will not be doing any refund or exchange. So please be careful before buying. Please check the pieces. Rest you can't do anything if you just buy something. मेरे साथ तो ऐसा काफ़ी बार हुआ है. I've ended up buying things and then I realized, oh my god, इसमें तो stain है. So ये होता रहता है street shopping में with me. Then comes this cute skirt. I really wanted a skirt like this, and again this is from ASOS, and it's for 200. I bought it for 200, and yeah, it's pretty good. Next I got this really cute skirt, and this is from brand Only, and I got it for how much? 600. Yeah, the quality of this one looks good and the fitting also. So I just love it, and इट्स अ डिफरेंट पीस. पर सब मैं वॉश में डालूंगी बिकॉज यू नो इट वॉज ऑल केप्ट इन अ वेरी शैबी वे. सो सारी चीज़ें व्हेन यू बाय फ्रॉम स्ट्रीट मेक श्योर यू मेंटेन दैट हाइजीन थिंग दैट यू वॉश देम बिफोर वेयरिंग देम. Jumping on to the next dress. This is my favorite. I love this and I can't wait to wear this. This fits me like heaven. Again, this is from ASOS and there's no tag. But I assume even this is, I think, 300, 400 or something like that. Yeah. It is so cute. The bow detailing is my favorite. I am so excited to wear this one. I love this. Okay, you know there's one piece that you regret buying that यार ये नहीं लेना चाहिए था. It's this skirt which I thought I'll wear it as a dress. I'm not sure I will wear it or not. पता नहीं, अजीब सा लग रहा है थोड़ा, but I will do something of it. Don't worry, do something. I bought this for 200. Okay, you know that okay kind of vibe. So yeah, this was about the shop that I purchased everything from. यहाँ पे मैंने earrings भी ली थी बहुत सारी and yeah, there were many pieces. There were jackets, there were maxi dresses, but मुझे maxi dresses चाहिए नहीं थे. बाकी yeah, there were really good collection here. As you can see, it is all branded items, so you can get your hands on some really good one if you go. Now jumping on to the next stall जहाँ से मैंने scarves लिए थे. So he was trying very hard to convince me to take 5-10 pieces at least, but obviously I ended up only buying 3 because मैं ज़िद्दी हूँ और मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा ऐसे मना नहीं सकता है. So मुझे जो पसंद आया मैंने वही लिए and I kind of like the quality and all, and obviously even that was at fixed rate. He didn't bargain much because I think उसने मुझे 50 rupees off दिया है, nothing more than that. And yeah, the scarves are pretty good. I really like the quality also and the pattern also. I really wanted to invest in scarves and मुझे ये luckily दिख गए. So I was like कि let me just grab. मैंने काफ़ी try वगैरह किए. There were many different patterns, but yeah, I ended up buying 3, which is also too much according to my mom. But ठीक है, I really liked them. I think this one is like my favorite. And yeah, this I took with the point of view that I will be wearing it with some Indian or something like that, Indian outfit, because why not? So yeah, now so ये सारे मैं क्लोथिंग बता रही हूँ. बीच में मैंने obviously jewelry, footwear, bags वो सब भी लिया है, which I'll be showing in the end of the video, but currently I'm just showing you the clothing products that I've bought. Now next, like the last product that I bought was this dungaree dress, like a cute dungaree dress, and I bought this for 300 or 350, I guess 300. Yeah, 300. So वो तो मुझे पैंट भी कुछ दे रहे थे and he was ready to give it to me for 100 rupees because I was just checking the pant and I just asked the rate. He first told me 300 or 400 and I was like कि नहीं भैया मुझे नहीं चाहिए, it's not my size. Then I was like walking away taking this, तो उन्होंने बोला कि मैडम आप ये भी ले लो 100 रुपये में ले लो. I was like okay, I wish it was my size. I would have taken it because I kind of liked it, but ठीक है, I didn't buy it because it wasn't my size. Anyway, I bought this one and this is a cute everyday wear dungaree dress. So yeah, that's pretty much it about the outfits that I bought. As I said, outfits इतने नहीं मिले. जो भी मैंने जो लिए हैं वो सारे वो एक ही शॉप से लिए. मैं उधर ऐसे like वो होता है ना, what do we say, I can't find the word. तुम लोग समझ जाओ, वो जो होता है ना जो ढूंढते रहता है कुछ ना कुछ, वही. So yeah, I was like feeling like that. And yeah, clothing इतना वैसे भी कोलाबा में नहीं मिलता है. कोलाबा is major for jewelry, like the people who are not from Mumbai or they come from somewhere else. Yeah, main Colaba Causeway is for jewelry, footwear, the antique pieces that you see, like the show pieces and the neck chains and all of that. And yeah, other than that, obviously it has evolved. Clothing भी बहुत सारे options मिल गए हैं. There were many racks which had like clothes for 100 rupees and then footwear and all of that. Next, so now I'll be showcasing you guys all the jewelry that I bought, which I'm really excited to show. And now I'll be like showing it to you guys in a slideshow, so you can enjoy watching it. I'll be mentioning the prices as well. And yeah, there'll be jewelry, there'll be hair bands, hair clips, bags, footwear, all of that I've bought. And like I'm really happy. इतना मैंने सोचा नहीं था कि I'll end up shopping, but I did. And yeah, the timing was till 4 only, इसीलिए हमको थोड़ा भागना पड़ा. And then as you guys saw in the video, I was struggling to shoot here and there. And then बारिश भी हो गई, तो हमारा third look भी incomplete रह गया. So yeah, the struggle was real that day, because we started and we ended where it was like a long day. और हम दो jumbo bags लेके घूम रहे थे. Everyone was like looking at us. And shoot के लिए भी एक suitcase थी. And then we had the tent also. So me and my friends was just struggling everywhere here and there to like shoot and change and everything like that. But it is always a fun day if you are shopping and spending some money. It is always fun, right, girls? Not fun for dads or brothers जिनके wallet से पैसे जा रहे हैं. Anyway, so yeah, let's quickly enjoy the slideshow. All that I got my hands on, मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आ गई शॉपिंग करके. I hope you guys also enjoyed watching me spending my money back to back so much. And see, I have been street shopping since a very long time, and the only tip I would like to give would be that keep patience and try to search things, then only you will get your hands on some amazing products. And other than that, if you buy products in bulk, they give you a major nice discount. Yeah, enjoy shopping and जितना हो सके bargain करो, मतलब जितना आता है, जितनी skill use कर सकते हो वो use करो. Keep following me also to have these tips and shop with me videos again and again. And yeah, इतना भी bargain मत करना, because especially in this times, like you can keep it balanced. Like, I didn't bargain much, and कहीं पे I did because I know the prices. Like sometimes I have shopped in many different places, so I know कि ये चीज़ कितने में मिल सकती है. So you have to use that instinct and bargain accordingly. Obviously don't go over the board and bargain. Keep it all balanced and sweet. So all these jewelry that I've purchased, उसमें से ना मैं एक series बनाने वाली हूँ on Instagram, which is going to be really exciting and fun to watch. So do make sure that you follow me on Instagram as well and stay updated with all the products that I'm going to be styling and wearing. Also, as I have mentioned before, that whenever you guys come and meet me and like talk to me or click pictures with me, I just love it. I really love it. So if you guys see me around, you can just come and talk to me anytime or click pictures. I'm open with it. I really love it, and I love you guys. So thank you for being here and watching my video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Love you.